Welcome back. GPCC spokesperson Reginald has demanded that chairman of Bagayatdar Narendar Savoikar should quit. He claimed that low-quality fertilizer is being supplied to the farmers at a normal price. Reginald said that the rock fossil in the fertilizer is less than required. He says farmers cheated at Bagayatdar.
हो आता कॅन्डिडेट म्हणटाय साऊथ गोवाचो हो कॅन्डिडेट आमकां एक क्रिस्तांव ना तो ना साऊथ गोवाक आतां RSS कॅन्डिडेट युजली द साऊथ कॅन्डिडेट सुद्दां कॅथलीक आसता RSS कॅन्डिडेट मेळ्ळा आमकां आनी कोण नाही हांव चॅलेंज मारतां गव्हर्मेंटाक सॅम्पल मुज बार वयन टेस्ट कर मुज बार सॅम्पल ऑर आमी फार्मराक घराक या विल टेक द सॅम्पल इन द हावस इन द फार्म ऑफ द ऑन द फार्म ऑफ द फार्मर फार्म तेगे फार्मर या आनी फार्मराची फार्मर वचून घेया एक सॅम्पल तेन्ना कळटलें कितें होरें कितें फट ती आय डिमांड दॅट ऑल दीस पेमेंट्स ऑफ Bagayatdar be kept pending inquiry. There should be an inquiry, minimum vigilance inquiry. If not a vigilance inquiry, I want a judicial inquiry.
The future of basketball is now in the hands of Goa Olympic Association and Sports Authority of Goa, as Goa Basketball Association will have to convince the authorities to seek recognition. The Basketball Federation of India, meanwhile, has supported the GBA, but without the backing of GOA and SAG, the GBA cannot be called the state body for basketball.
The GOA has slammed the recent elections to revive the GBA. Though reluctant to give a comment on camera, the GOA Secretary General Gurudatta Bhakta described the GBA elections as farcical. The GOA has supported a new body called Association of Goan Basketball as they have completed all formalities. But the situation now with BFI supporting the GBA while the local authorities backing AGB is that basketball is again being held to ransom. The Lusophonia games are now drawing closer. A senior basketballer is confident that GOA will never allow GBA to poke its nose in the finalization of Goa India squad for the games. It is unbelievable and shocking that few individuals are putting their interest before the need of the sport. Bureau Report, Prudent.
With this, we conclude the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.